This is the great thing about the design of this system, the way it was engineered. This system will last, warranty is 10 years, but 20 years for a family of 4. There's no replaceable parts, there is no maintenance and maintenance free. Now this particular system in our showroom is actually installed. The water's coming in, the water's going out, it's purifying based on the only maintenance involved on this system is every now and then if the pre-sediment filter starts to show a couple things, sediments from the municipal water or your well water, you would have a flush valve requirement to keep that clean. That's as simple as taking a bucket, or in this case a glass, and you just and once you do that, that flushes the system. That's it, that's the maintenance, and that's the water that's been cleared out of the system right there.